So you saw us fishing up in Maine, going after stripers. Then we went to Colorado, going after trout, rainbow brown trout. First time hooking up on a trout, it was incredible. And now, the final stop of the sabbatical fishing tour. We're in the low country of South Carolina, going out for some redfish, going out for some trout, going out with Captain Bob, my father-in-law, for those of you guys who don't know. Storms this morning came out of nowhere. It is crazy. The rain just like literally popped up on the radar. We're supposed to be out at 8 a.m. It's closer to 9:30 right now. And it's spitting right now a little bit too. So hoping that the weather pushes out of here so we can get a good trip on. Here it is September 18th, my anniversary day actually. And what better way to spend my anniversary than with my father-in-law Bob. We are on the May River. The weather's looking pretty iffy, but Bob, you're the captain here. What's the game plan today?
Well, we're at the mouth of Bull Creek, which is a famous creek. If you ever read Pat Conroy's The Water is Wide.
We're gonna throw the shrimp net, hopefully load up on, I don't know, 40, 50, 60 shrimp so that we can use them for bait. Everything down here eats shrimp, so that's the money bait. That's what we're going for. We'll see how it goes. So this is what we're looking at here. This is the radar. It tells us where the shrimp are. So we're looking for little dots above the bottom of the floor here. That'll tell us where the shrimp are located and hiding. We're trying to get the boat over that spot so that then we can cast out and try to pull in some shrimp. All right, we are at the honey hole spot. So this hole right here that we're over is a good 20 feet deep. Doesn't look like it, but it gets shallow. All right, first toss. What is that? What is this? Does anyone know what this is? It has a hole in it. And it floats. Well, first tactic here, unsuccessful. But that's what life is like fishing in the low country. It's always changing on you. So we're at the second spot right now. The first spot, the current was moving too quick. We couldn't get up on the shrimp. So going to our second spot, we've already have a good sign here. We saw some birds diving. We got some dolphin behind me that look like they're feeding. So where the other animals are, that means that there's bait fish, shrimp, menhaden, mullet, something. Oh, dolphin right behind me. There he is. There's the dolphin. Scare him this way, dolphin. Scare him this way. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're on them. We're on them.
Oh, look at this.
Huge bait ball. Huge bait ball. Huge bait ball. Come on, please. Yup. Yep. Got some.
Okay.
This is what the dolphin are feeding on. Little menhaden. This is what the dolphin are feeding on right here. So this is what we're gonna try to use. All right. I don't know how many hours that was, but we tried and we tried and we tried to catch bait. We finally got enough that I think we can fish for a little bit. We've got about an hour before slack tide here. The tides mean everything when you're fishing in the low country. Once slack tide hits, everything goes quiet. Might as well pack up and go home. So we're at our first spot. This used to be a dock that was taken out with Hurricane Matthew. Is that right, Bob?
Right.
Hurricane Matthew just destroyed this dock. This used to be the best red fishing spot. We're gonna give it a try to see how it holds up for us today. Oh, am I hooked up? No. My bait's gone. I'm hooked into a stick. Well, that's fun. Oh, something. Gone. Yeah, I felt something thump it. That's where I wanted it. Perfect. Oh. Fish on, fish on, fish on. Fish on. Here. Fish on, baby. Fish on. Here, move this rod, Bob. Let's move this rod. Move this rod, Bob, please. There we go. We don't want him to. Here, I'll take him your way. Feels like a good red. Oh, it's a ray.
Oh, it's a ray?
It's a ray. There. Here, we'll see if we can just get him. Don't net him. Let's just see if we can pull out the hook right here while I boat him on the side of the boat here so we don't have to pick him up. This is what you didn't want to catch today.
Yeah.
This is how Steve Irwin went. You see, that's what he looks like. Got a little bit of spines on his back. Here, see if you can just pop him out. Oh, did he choke it? Careful, careful. He's trying to get you.
That's way down there.
All right, just cut the line then. Man.
Oh, I thought, you know, with our next to last.
Man, not what you wanted to have happen. Didn't want a ray. Anything but a ray. Well, today isn't how it was supposed to go. First day down in the low country. Trying to hook up on some monster reds down here. Some trout. Stingray isn't what you want to catch. But that's alright. You know, we spent a little too much time going after bait. The bait was slow. We then, you know, got enough to toss it a few times, but we're racing against high tide here, so this isn't really what we wanted to get today. Stingray, I guess, is cool if you've never caught a stingray, but not what we're going after. So there's always tomorrow. Alrighty, well, first trip, not a success. That's alright. That's why they call it fishing and not catching.